Part of my role here, I was looking after the deconstruction, conservation and reconstruction of two of the heritage chimneys. One of them has been removed and the other one has been held up by some steel, as you can see behind me. In terms of taking the chimney of the east down, there was two issues that we had to overcome. Basically getting up there to model the chimney, access, take dimensions, which leads into the second hurdle we faced, was just getting and achieving all the Heritage Victoria requirements. After deliberation and consultation with neighbours and a few other stakeholders, we finally came up with a plan that we believed and everyone else believed would restore the chimneys back to their existing beauty. So the main issue with the documentation and modelling was gaining access to the chimneys. The chimneys themselves will stand the test of time. They have, as you can see, that one's still standing. It was mainly getting access and doing it safely without causing any danger to the public or those working on site. We'll put onto cloud point surveys by Kev, our design manager. So through the help of Kev, he introduced me to JT and MT, who have done heaps actually in terms of modelling on this project now. And from that, we were told to get a cloud point survey, which is basically shooting heaps of lasers at stuff. And from that, it uses a system similar to a total station to geographically locate where those lasers hit. So I sent that off to JT and MT, wondering what would be produced from it basically. And what they sent back was a geo-located BIM 360 model, which we've then used to validate the wall thicknesses and the locations of a lot of other things within the project. And I've just been told that once we reconstruct the chimney, or even after we've done a few courses of bricks, we can get the cloud point survey done again, plug that into the model, and that'll validate against what we should have done and what we have done and what was there to make sure that it's all same spot. And that'll give not only us the confidence that we're doing it right, it'll satisfy the Heritage Victoria requirements. It was great to have the help and assistance of the Kapitol digital engineering team, in particular Kev, Michael and JT. They've sort of there to walk you through the process, tell you what you need. They can chase stuff up for you in terms of the actual technical details. They've been a massive help overall, and good to see they're coming out to sites, because I'm sure there's a lot more that they can teach me in that sort of space.